Welcome back to my channel. It's Norma, the Cannabis Queen. I'm still, after all this time, trying to get used to these gadgets and little things on this computer to try to record with. And so, but here I am. Welcome back to my channel. If you will first, just please like us and give us a thumbs up. And if you don't mind subscribing to my channel, if you want to hear more about cannabis products, cannabis health-based products, then please, by all means, if you will hit that little subscribe button as well as the notification buttons, then you can be here when I upload a video. I am so glad to see you guys again. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is getting all their investments in and making sure that you are absolutely investing in cannabis stocks, right? There are some great stocks out there. I'm going to start off with telling you at the beginning of the video that you really want to make sure that you're looking at California Industries. California is doing well. They have a lot going on, right? And so you want to make sure that TerraTech and different companies like that, anything that's going to be tied to financial securities, you want to look at companies like that. And when I say that, I'm saying there's going to be a huge need for someone to come in and secure cannabis-based markets, right? There's going to be a need for security around that. There's going to be a need for financial institutions to help those of us who want to support these industries be able to secure their finances, right? So everything is cash-based right now, which is very difficult, right? They're having to get armored cars to do everything. And so when some company comes in, some form of banking institution that'll step in and help help the industry be able to secure these companies and their finances, then that's going to be a great area for growth, right? And that's what we look for when we want to invest. And so anything that has to deal with investing, you want to look at Cron, that's CRON. Look at that, check that one out. Of course, I'm not giving you investment advice. I'm just simply telling you some places where you want to go and look and just see if that might be somewhere you want to invest your funds, right? And the whole point of what we're talking about is just actually buying and holding, put you a portfolio together, diversify as much as possible, get some pharmaceutical stocks, absolutely, get you some financial stocks, as well as, you're going to need something to grow the plant in. So get you some Scotts Miracle-Gro or something like that, where you can just kind of have some different areas where you're attacking the same market line, but you're just coming at it from different angles. And so you always want to make sure you do that. I've given you guys lists. Go back and check out some of my other videos. You have a great list in there for you to check out, some great companies for you to start investing in. But the whole point is to continue to build your portfolio. When the market is down, when you see your stocks in the red, that is not a time to cut and run. That is a time to invest more, right? So when stocks go on sale, when there's a red day, when you see your portfolio start to, decline, don't get depressed. Market fluctuations are a part of this game, right? And so because there are market fluctuations and they're going to be up days and down days, hang in there, okay? And buy more, right? Black Fridays happen all the time in the stock market. So just make sure that you take advantage of those, okay? All right, so I wanted to step in today and also tell you guys about my new brand, Mecca. It's doing so well. I'm going to put some screenshots in here for you to kind of see, so you can see my little Mecca environment. It's very difficult for me to record over there right now. So until I get that all worked out, I'll just input some pictures so you guys can see how Mecca looks and how we're doing. But I wanted you to check out my website. It's called www.mecca-life.com. And on my website, there's a special link if you are interested in any type of hemp oils, CBD oils, supplements, energy drinks, medications for pain relief, help you sleep, help you lose weight, whatever it is that you're seeking and you want something healthy and natural, then please check out my website, because I have tried my best to make sure that I incorporated those things in there for you. I've been out there looking for companies that are going to offer you some great products at an affordable price. You already know that dealing with cannabis in general is going to be, pretty expensive, but this company has that I've put on the website really has some great products at some much more affordable prices, especially in comparison to other companies. So I want to make sure that you guys go to my site, check out that link in there, and by all means buy as much as you want. Okay, I'm working on getting a discount code. I don't have one yet, but I'm working on that so that when you guys do, support my website, that you can get a discount. And I'm really working on that. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, if you need the products, the website link is already on my website. I wanted to also tell you I've created a few things. So, be creative with the oils. When you do get the oils, be creative with them. If you have some children that need these products, you're dealing with seizures, epilepsy, just want to get some healthy things in their bodies, then be creative. I've made some cookies. Some of my family's favorites are these chocolate chip walnut pecan cookies that have a little bit of CBD oil in them, and I always just add CBD oil to pretty much everything that I'm trying, right? So this is a really good cookie, and I've already bitten off of it because I love them. Like, I eat them all the time. But this chocolate chip walnut pecan with a little bit of CBD oil, try it. It is so good. You'll see. And the CBD oils, they're really, really good. The pure oil that I use, it's tasteless, so you can pretty much add it to whatever you want, and you can put it in almost anything, and it does well. But there's some other oils. The hemp oil, it has a little bit of a minty, herbally taste to it. It's not distasteful in any way. It's really, really good. It doesn't really have a harsh taste to the palate, so you can pretty much put that in different things too. I tried it in a little balsamic vinaigrette type of thing, and it was good. Poured it over my salad. Perfect, right? So just be creative with it is all I want to say. I have an adult only candy apple that I make, and it is a super hit. Like, everybody loves this candy apple, but I call this the Mecca Special, right? And this is what it looks like. Let me kind of come back here so you can get the gist of it. There you go. And it's my own. It's green. It's a beautiful little candy apple. I've tied my Mecca ribbons around it. It has my Mecca sticker on it, but it's a candy apple, and it has CBD oil and THC oil in it, as well as rum. So I just made a candy mixture, added some rum to it, some CBD oils and THC oils, and the apple is actually really delicious, right? The candy apple part of it just really set it off. You can get a little bit of hint of that rum in there, and the CBD oils, of course, you really can't taste them very much, but they're in there, and they just make for a great apple. They're a big hit with some of my friends. So I just wanted to let you know, you can do a lot of great things with these oils, and this is one of them. You can make candies, cookies. I put them in gummy bears, everything, just anything that I could do. If you need to get them to kids or whatever to make them easier to get, into you, then by all means, try different things is all I'm saying, right? All right. So basically that's what I wanted to step in and say hi to everybody. I've missed you guys. I appreciate all the support that I'm getting. I'm just trying to get this brand and business off the ground. I also teach trading. So when you go to my website, the www.meccalife.com, if you go into book appointments, you'll see that I have a trading course. And I basically teach one area of the market, and that is the index market. I love the indices. I trade pretty much the Dow as well as the European, the DAX markets. Every day I'll be trading tonight, actually. So if you're interested in learning to trade, if you're a stay-at-home mom, or even if you work and you like to trade, or you're looking for another way to supplement your income, this is a really good way to make some money, right? Yeah, I do very well in it. So I want to make sure that you guys know that, I can't promise you anything, and I definitely don't want to make you any promises that you're going to be a millionaire or anything close to it. But if you're looking for a way to, possibly supplement your income and, do some trading, when you're out and about or on vacation, you can trade from anywhere. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection and a phone, you can trade. I'm not affiliated or with any company. I don't endorse any company. I'm not signed up with any company. I don't sign up people for any company. I just simply teach you how to trade, and you can join my trade groups online if you're interested. That link is also on my website. So if you're interested, by all means, you want some oils, I got you. you want some products, if you want to support my line and get some t-shirts and, you know, get Mecca out there in your area, I would so much appreciate that. You can get that information on my website as well. I have all kind of goodies. I'm actually putting together a goodie bag for those of you who want something like that, you know, with a lot of different products in there for you to trial. I have that coming soon as well. So there's all kind of things coming, but don't forget, the most important thing is for you to be investing. Okay, get your investment account set up, get everything up and going, because when this industry takes off, it is not looking back. Right, there are so many people that are already have their hands way down in this industry. They are already funneling money like crazy into this industry. There are so many great things happening. There are so many universities and schools and medical journals now that are going to be written from just the things that have happened in the last 3 to 5 years in cannabis. And guess what? It is taking off from here. Okay, 37 states are already up and going. The other 13 are coming, trust me. So we really have to just get ready and stay ready. Make sure that you're investing. Stick with your plan. Don't let anything deviate you from that. MarijuanaStocks.com is a great place to study. You can Google cannabis stocks and you can pretty much, you know, take it from there. But you always want to start with your staples, right? GW Pharmaceuticals, Scott's Miracle Grow, your Canadian side, Aurora Cannabis, Organigram, all those different ones that I've told you over and over and over. By all means, look at those and continue to build in those areas. And then, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years or sooner, who knows what can happen, right? The important part is that you started it and you can pass it on for generations to come. I again appreciate you checking into my channel again, and I'll come back and do another video for you. Thank you so much. Any comments that you have, you guys have been really nice on the comments. Thank you for all the prayers and the sympathy that you guys sent for the loss of my mother. I so much appreciate that. You don't know how many inboxes and messages I got just from YouTube family, and that was amazing to me. So thank you so much again for that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, again, have a wonderful day, and thank you again for tuning in.